Well, checking in with us now is Mr. Erwin Shapiro, Senior Vice President at RBC Wealth Management. Erwin, always good to talk to you.
Thank you very much, Don.
Well, Erwin, we've seen, we saw an interesting thing go on this week. The government sold something like $19 billion or so, or maybe it was a little bit more than that, of T-bills. But they had to raise the yield to entice any buyers. How does that affect the overall bond markets?
Wow. Well, the yield on the 10-year Treasury bond already all the way up to a 3.82 federally taxable. And the 5-year is all the way up to 2.82 federally taxable. And the 2-year is all the way up to 1.33 federally taxable. That really doesn't affect much going on. Headlines, of course, but it still paves the way for great values in munis. The tax-free bond market is in such uncertainty that the wise investor can get well over 5% tax-free with absolute safety. I think it's a great situation for the bond investor to get a higher yield than they've gotten in several years. And taxes are not going to go down. And we see very, very high-quality bonds paying well over 5%. I think it's a great opportunity, Don. I really do.
Well, Erwin, with the federal government having to basically entice buyers of T-bills with higher yields, do you see perhaps higher interest rates to follow anytime soon?
I never predict the future. It'll probably mirror the past, but I won't predict the future. But if you get a 30-year Treasury bond, you're going to get a 4.67 taxable yield, federally taxable. If you're in a modest tax bracket, you'll be collecting much less than 3% after tax. You can get a lot more than that in the tax-free market. That's why I think all these things going on are playing into the hands of the tax-free bond investor, getting well over 5%. Don, we do feel that tax rates will be going up. Interest rates will go up and will go down. We know that. We're in deflation at the moment. Inflation will probably follow. But the future is so hard to predict. But one thing I can predict with certainty is tax brackets are not going down.
Very quickly, Erwin, almost out of time. How do people get in touch with you?
I wish they would. 888-777-4722. That's 888-777-4722. Don, Royal Bank of Canada is the only AAA bank remaining in North America. We are very proud of the strength behind this company. Very proud of it. 888-777-4722.
Erwin Shapiro, RBC Wealth Management. Thanks, Erwin.
Thank you very much, Don.